Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to split a string in UiPath. So what is the use of this split method is it is used to split a string. So this is a string and into an array of substrings. So you can see at the output. So these are the array of substrings by passing a delimiter as character in split method. Okay, so here this comma is a delimiter and this C is for character and this is split method, and this is the command we are going to use in UiPath to split the string into array of strings. Okay, so go to UiPath Studio and search for assign activity. And here I am going to create a new variable and I am going to name it as split string. Okay, and let me pass some value here and I will take that value from my sample document. So I am going to pass this employee details, which is separated with a delimiter comma. Control C, and let me copy this in this value field. So within quotations, okay, and let me take one more assign activity and I'm going to create a variable using shortcut Ctrl plus K and I will name it as splitted array string. So this is a splitted array of strings. So it will split the string which we have given in this split string variable, and that data will be going to store in this variable splitted array of strings. Okay, and here we need to give the function. Let me give a variable name split string dot split method, and inside this split method and inside braces I am going to give delimiter within quotations and C is for character. And here click on this activity, go to variables panel and change its type to array of strings because it is going to convert to array of strings. So click on this and choose string here. Okay, and now we need to use for each activity to print all the strings from this array. So for each item in this split array string, okay, and to display at the output I am going to use a write line activity and I will pass the way this item here dot to string. Okay, that's it. Let me run this. So okay, look at the output panel. The string we have passed is converted to the array of strings with some details like employee name, employee ID, salary and department. And in some scenarios, like when you need to get required data from the existing data, you need to pass the index value of these strings. So for example, if you want to get employee ID, you need to give the index as 1 in command because index starts from 0. If you want to get employee name, you need to pass the index 0. Okay, that's it. And I would like to show one more example. For example, here this string is separated with a comma. So I will show you one more example by adding a string which is separated with a space, and I will going to give that space in this, instead of this comma I will give space as a delimiter. So first let me delete this string, and I will copy the string from my document. So this is a string which is separated with a space between each and every detail of this employee details. For example, employee name John, you have a space here, and employee ID is 1 and a space, and salary is 40k and a space. Okay, so copy this, and I'm going to my UiPath Studio, we paste it here. And one more thing you need to do is you need to change this delimiter to space. Okay, so this is so simple. Let me run this code and look at the output panel. So output is perfect, right? Look at this output. Employee name is John, employee ID is 1, and salary is 40k, department is HR. Similarly, if the string is separated with the this pipe, you need to give the delimiter has this vertical pipe in command. Okay, here you need to give the pipe symbol. Okay, keep practicing on split method in UiPath. If you not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching.